flaunting a copy of the Constitution as he says that he is fighting to uphold the spirit of the Constitution at a time when he believes that the BJP and the RSS combined is trying to do away with it altogether. While Rahul Gandhi is often seen symbolically brandishing the Constitution, is it really an actually copy or just a blank book? This is a question that the BJP is now asking as it puts out a video on social media handles. The BJP's IT cell head Amit Malviya has put out this video where he claims that the copy of the Constitution that Rahul Gandhi actually carries with him is nothing but a blank booklet. Viewers, this is not the first time Rahul Gandhi has been mired in such a controversy. Remember, in November last year as well, a video that had been posted by the Maharashtra unit of the BJP also quickly went viral, which showed books with Constitution of India written on the front but containing only blank pages except for the preamble. The BJP has cited this video to claim that Rahul Gandhi carries only empty copies of the Constitution, and now it seems to have happened once again. So, Sabyasachi, what is the controversy all about?
Well, this allegation has been leveled in by the Bharatiya Janata Party because Rahul Gandhi, whenever he addresses a public gathering, we had often seen that he carries a copy of Samvidhan, carries a copy of Constitution with him, and usually he shows the Constitution copy while addressing the people. Now BJP alleges that time and again Mr. Rahul Gandhi, while addressing the people, carried blank pages of Samvidhan, and this shows the mindset of the Congress party, and that has been picked up by various state BJP leaders as well, who are now attacking the Congress party as well as Mr. Rahul Gandhi, stating that whatever he says, he does not actually mean it because he does not carry the real copy of Samvidhan along with him. Now, yesterday also, while addressing the people, we had seen that Rahul Gandhi was carrying a Samvidhan copy. In fact, he also said that this is against the Constitution, and if the Constitution is safe, then the people of the country is safe, and if the Constitution is under threat, then the people of the country is also under threat. Now, this very point has been highlighted time and again by the leader of opposition, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, as well as the Congress president, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, and in fact, the BJP has now raised up this issue.
Okay, all right, stay with us. In fact, the BJP has tweeted this video as it claimed that there was an empty copy of Constitution, that the Constitution cover was there, but there were no pages in it. Look at the video that was tweeted by the BJP.